Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Wireless Baby Monitoring System using sensors with Arduino and GSM SMS alert with ESP32 live streaming IP camera module. So IoT. So in this project we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it converts to 5 volts pure DC output connected to the ESP32 camera module, and as well as another module connected to the Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 328 controller IC board. And the sensors are DHT11 temperature humidity sensor connected to the A0. If temperature crossed 40 above, SMS alert, and humidity crossed 80 above, and room humidity sensor connected to the A0. So humidity crossed 80, SMS alert, and cry detection connected to the A2. So baby cry detection connected to the A2. A2 SMS alert, PA motion detected, movable body, motion body, PIR sensor if detected, A3 analog sensor A3, Arduino Uno R3 board, and diaper detection moisture sensor connected with the A1, and GSM SIM 900A, those are connected with RX TX 0 and 1. 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, all the data should be displayed on the LCD. RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. So this is the total block diagram of the project. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and connected to the GSM module. So here GSM SIM 900A. So press down, the SIM card will come outside. Okay, slowly. Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Only 4 SIM cards. Geo won't work. So 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card. So slowly insert the SIM card. Okay. So this is called tray. Okay, this is called tray. Slowly insert the SIM card. Okay. Press it and slowly press down. Okay. Back it and lock the SIM card. Press down, unlock. Press it. It should go lock. Okay. Press down, it will come outside. Okay, GSM SIM 900A SMS alert. So GSM SIM 900A, 2 power supply modules, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and LED outputs. So 9 volts input DC to 5 volts pure DC output. Sensors are DHT11 temperature humidity sensor connected to the A0, soil moisture sensor diaper detection connected to the A1, cry detection sensor connected to the A2, PIR motion body movable body connected to the A3, A0, A1, A2, A3. Okay, all the sensors are connected to the analog pin numbers of A0, A1, A2, A3, and here LCD connections are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. Just we need to monitor the data onto the LCD display. Okay, and ESP32 camera module requires Wi-Fi hotspot internet. Okay, and go to clear, go to mobile data on, mobile data on, Wi-Fi hotspot on, Wi-Fi hotspot on. Okay, Wi-Fi hotspot username is project, password is project1234. Okay, so now I'm going to start the power supply. Wireless baby monitoring system, Wi-Fi hotspot is connected. If you press it, and it will show you, go to the details, go to the details, press it, it will show you the IP address 192.168.43.201. So GSM, and I'll press reset button. Okay, so we will see the data. Wireless baby monitoring sensors, Arduino GSM SMS live streaming, IP camera, ESP32 module, GSM testing connected, echo, finding network, network found. Okay, now sensors data, it will come. T for temperature, H humidity, DHT11 temperature sensor, M for moisture, moisture means A1 connected, cry detection, and the PIR motion detection. Okay, every 3 counts, every 3 counts. Okay, for this is the IP address 192.168. Okay, go to SMS alerts. We are getting the SMS alerts also. Okay, and here go to 192.192 dot. Okay, yeah, IP camera is streaming. Okay, it will show you the image of the baby image, it will show. So T for temperature, H for humidity, M for moisture, cry detection, motion alert. Every 3 counts, if anything should be happen, it will send the SMS alert. Okay. So now I will go for the temperature alert. Okay, temperature increasing. Temperature 40 above. Body temperature sensor. Yeah, temperature 40. It is streaming. It will come the image slowly. Okay. Your temperature alert SMS coming. Okay. SMS sent. Here it will send SMS alert. Okay. Yeah. Over temperature 43, sending SMS to. Okay. Now I will go for the diaper detection. Okay. Diaper 200 above. Yeah, 200. Moisture 200 above. Okay. Moisture 200 above. Okay. Moisture sensor. There is no diaper. Diaper detected. Moisture detected. Moisture alert. Okay. And baby cry detection. Okay. Go to YouTube. Baby cry detection. C for cry. Okay, cry detected. So we will get the SMS alert here. Cry detected. Sending SMS 1. Message sent. Baby cry detection. Okay. Then PIR motion detection. It will go for 3 counts, continuous 3 counts. It will check for continuous 3 counts. PIR motion detection. 2 counts completed. Cry detection, motion alert, sending SMS. Okay. So temperature alert, moisture alert, baby cry detection, and baby is moving, PIR sensor. Now I will go for the humidity. Giving humidity through my mouth. Okay. Yeah, humidity alert. Humidity crossed 80 and a live camera module detected. Okay. Small baby. Okay. GSM module, 5 volts power supply modules, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, 16 cross 2 LC display, temperature, humidity, moisture, cry detection and motion detection. Okay. Okay. Cry detected. Sending SMS alert. Yeah. Temperature detected, moisture detected, cry detected. Okay. Diaper detection. Sending SMS to 2 LEDs are on. Okay. 199, 150 and above. Okay. Moisture detected. PIR motion detected and live streaming onto the camera. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svsembedded. Okay, now here is the reset button. It will come from the main function, wireless baby monitoring using sensors with Arduino GSM SMS alert, live streaming ESP32 camera module. Now it will check the GSMs connected, echo. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svsembedded.